Mutual funds. They're a popular investment choice for many. But what are they exactly? Today, we're going to demystify mutual funds and guide you on how to invest in them. A mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle consisting of a portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. It pools money from many investors to purchase these assets. Mutual funds are managed by professional fund managers who allocate the fund's assets and attempt to produce capital gains or income for the fund's investors. There are many types of mutual funds, including equity funds, fixed income funds, index funds, and balanced funds. Each offers different risk and return potentials. Investing in mutual funds can be done through a brokerage account. You can buy shares in a mutual fund, which represent a portion of the holdings of the fund. Investing in mutual funds can be a smart way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn returns. Remember, it's important to do your research and consider your financial goals before investing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.